Welcome back to another episode of Cup of Joe Crypto, where I bring you the latest news in Bitcoin and all cryptocurrencies. Guys, today, as always, I'll go over the news prices, but I will have a special guest read one of the articles that I found interesting. But to get started, market cap at $217 billion with BTC dominance slightly down at 66.1%. BTC had a loss of 1.44% today, bringing it to $7,982. All other top 10 coins went down as well. The only one in the green is Bitcoin SV. If you're a Craig Wright fan, good job. Congrats. Yay. Tron, Green Day, and as we all know, I'm a Cardano fan, had a little bit of a rough day, under 4 cents, still at 0.038 cents. Guys, the first article will be read by my special guest. My special guest is the one and only Carter, and he's going to read the next article for you guys. So, let's get it started.
To where? To where?
The whole thing, go.
Okay. The 18 millionth Bitcoin to be mined this Friday. Only 3 million left. The 18th millionth Bitcoin BTC is expected to be mined this Friday. American investor and co-founder of the investment firm Morgan Creek Digital Assets Anthony
Liano
tweeted on October 15th, only 3 million BTC left. This in the Friday, the 18th millionth Bitcoin will be mined. There are only 3 million left. Let's make the hashtag trend so the world can learn about Bitcoin. The initiative is not surprising from Palm Bliano, given that he said on CNBC's Squawk Box that over half of his net worth is because Bitcoin is in
Bitcoin in August.
What he hints at is that so far
17,997,150 Bitcoin have been mined.
According to Bitcoin data website Bitcoin Block Half, and the upper limit to how many BTCs there will ever be hard-coded in the system is 21 million. Bitcoin block rewards will decrease as the number of coins left to be earned by securing Bitcoin's blockchain continues to decrease. BTC's halving also approaches. The event will see the amount of Bitcoin created with each new block cut in half. As the number of coins that still have to be mined decrease, the competition to get hold of them seemingly increases, as Cointelegraph reported in late September. Bitcoin's network hash rate has passed a record 102 quintillion hashes for the first time in Coin's history.
And if you go back a couple of episodes, I did do an article on the Bitcoin hash rate passing the 100 102 quintillion hash rates for the first time. So, guys, that was my stepson, and appreciate the
Yeah.
listen. We're going to get him a channel up and running too. So, as soon as we do, we're going to make sure that I share the channel with you. And once I get some more subscribers up, definitely share the website and get his channel growing. So, I usually start off by saying in the beginning, please make sure you subscribe. Every subscriber helps. Tell your friends and family about Bitcoin. um, Give them the opportunity to change their lives like many of us lives have been changed from Bitcoin or blockchain technology. Guys, the next article I'm going to read is Fidelity Investments fully rolls out crypto custody service, exec says Anna Alexandre. American financial services company Fidelity Investments has fully launched its cryptocurrency custody service. Abigail Johnson, CEO of Fidelity Investments, revealed the development in an interview with the Financial Times published on October 18th. Johnson said that the company is ready to roll out its crypto custody business following a year-long preparation and accumulation of clients. A nascent but promising business. Last fall, Fidelity specifically indicated that it would provide an enterprise-grade crypto custody service to hedge funds, family offices, and financial advisors. Johnson called the kind of service nascent and not developed, but noted its potential, saying, and I quote, there are people out there with significant amounts of wealth in cryptocurrencies, probably Bitcoin, and they're looking for somebody to hold those coins for them because in the event of their passing, which is going to happen at some point or another, you've got to have a plan and be able to get those coins to somebody else. Speaking about Coinbase's custody offering, Johnson argued that Coinbase is still a company that most people had never heard of, and they don't have the existing relationships with the independent advisors. As previously reported, Coinbase custody was initially announced in November 2017 and launched in July of 2018 with an objective to provide robust security of crypto assets, which according to Coinbase has been institutional investors' number one concern. As of August, Coinbase custody claimed to store assets on behalf of more than 120 clients in 14 different countries. Fidelity's careful approach to crypto trading. Recently, Kathy Murphy, personal investing president of Fidelity Investments, said that the firm does not offer cryptocurrencies on retail and trading platforms to protect its clients. When asked when she expects users to trade crypto in a meaningful way on Fidelity's platform, Murphy replied with, I quote, you know, we're really careful about that. So while we embrace crypto in terms of trading to understand it and be innovative and thoughtful, we're also very careful about where we offer those types of things. So they're not offered broadly on the retail platform. We want to be very careful about making sure that investors who really aren't institutional investors don't make a mistake with cryptocurrency. In the last article, as we shared, Bitcoin has fell slightly under $8,000. Bitcoin back under 8K. Next is 7.4K if support zone breaks. I hope it hits 7.4 so I can just buy more and more and more. More. Bitcoin has lost support at 8,000 again after a brief recovery ended up further downward selling pressure. Bitcoin eyes lower support bands. Data from Coin360 showed BTC USD briefly hit 78.50 on Friday before rebounding to just above 7,900. The latest dip capped daily losses of up to 2% for traders, with the pairing having reached a high of 8,120 the previous day. As Cointelegraph reported, analysts were dismissive of the upward momentum, with the broader health of Bitcoin prices still subject to suspicion. Zooming out, they considered little to have changed as Bitcoin fluctuated around the 8,000 mark. While not showing strength after a small bearish retest, looks like a copy of the beginning of October and still hanging around here in the green support zones, Cointelegraph contributor Michael Vanderpop summarized in a Twitter analysis. Those zones represent longer-term trends, with BTC USD continue to test. The bastion of support in the lowest zone lies at about 7,400. For Vanderpop, the area forms the obvious destination if current levels break down further. If lost, below at 7,500 main area to look for, he added. Altcoin investors see flat performance. Altcoin markets remained choppy as Bitcoin fought off its latest turbulence. Movements were nonetheless muted, with tokens remaining within 3% of the previous day. Guys, again, I want to thank you for watching my channel. Make sure you subscribe, please. And one of my first 100 subscribers will win $100 in free Bitcoin. Please make sure you subscribe and tell your friends and family. My special guest wants to say see ya until the next video.
See ya!
We'll be back. Stay tuned.